a very important one. Exist, 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 exist. Using exist, we can check any object's availability on the screen. Exist, time in seconds. Exist, time in seconds. Not exist, it is exist. Exist, time in seconds. Dialog login.exist. It will replay the answer as true or false. If dialog login is really existing on the screen, it will say it as a true. If dialog login is not existing on the screen, it will say it as a false. As simple as that. It will replay you the boolean value saying it as it's true or false. If I am trying to search for the dialog login, if it is existing on the screen, then it will say it as a true. So dialog login.exist, I can give time in seconds like this. Dialog login.exist, wait for 5 seconds. Because sometimes if dialog login is not existing, let's assume that it will wait for 5 seconds. Directly it will not throw any error message. Okay. Just take this into variable called x and just check it using message box or print. Message box of x. If, just see the script. If the dialog login is really existing on my screen, then it will say it as a true. If it is not existing, it waits for 5 seconds and after 5 seconds it will say it as a false. Just have a look on this. Here we go. It's true. Why? Because dialog login is existing on the screen. If it is existing on the screen, the sense it is true. Right? Here, it's true. Have a look on this. It's true here. Right? Because dialog login is existing on the screen. Now let me close this dialog login from the screen and let me run the test. Actually, dialog login is not existing on my screen now. Let me run. Let me run. So it waits for 5 seconds. It waits for 5 seconds. Within 5 seconds, if it is available, it will say it as a true. Else it is going to say it as a false. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it's false because it has searched for it for the 5 seconds. In the 5 seconds also it is not available. So that is the reason it is saying that message box is false. Means it is not existing. Okay. If it is existing, it will say it as a true. It is not existing, it will say it as a false. This is a very important one. This basically we will use this in the ordination to check any object's availability on the screen. Any object's availability on the screen. Yes, if that object is available, then it will say it as a true. Else it is going to say it as a fail. Anyways, that object information should be there in the object repository. Yes, exists. A very important one. And even time in seconds also. If it is not existing, directly it will not throw any error message. It waits for some time and it will check it and it will throw an error message. Clear? Now,